everyone, I'm Kelly with thesuburbansoapbox.com and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a fresh and simple smoothie. This spinach smoothie is just packed with fresh flavor and it's super simple to make. So to start, all you're going to need is some frozen pineapple chunks. You're going to use fresh spinach. We're not using anything frozen in the way of spinach here. Fresh spinach is always best. We're also using bananas. And if you have bananas that are like a little more on the ripe side, they work perfectly because they add some sweetness to the smoothie. If you have underripe bananas, you certainly can use those as well, but you may want to add just like a touch of honey to your smoothie to kind of give it a little sweetness. We're also using avocado. What I love about putting avocado in smoothies is it makes it super creamy and rich, and it's so healthy. We're also going to use kiwi just for a little tang, and then a bit of milk and some Greek yogurt. So we're going to put the pineapple chunks in first, and you want to use a pretty high-speed powered blender. And really, I don't measure a whole lot with the smoothie. I kind of just add what I want and go. Sometimes I have a little extra, so I'll share with the family. Sometimes it's a little lighter. You do you here. We're gonna add the spinach leaves next, and I'm gonna use a whole banana. And to make it fit, you might wanna break it in half and just plop it in. Now the kiwi, you would think that you wanna peel it. You don't have to peel a kiwi. The skin of a kiwi is actually loaded with nutrients and vitamins. It's actually very healthy for you. I would never eat it like this because the fuzziness is like a texture thing. It totally wigs me out. But putting it in a smoothie, you don't even know it's there. So we're gonna throw the whole kiwi right in there. We're going to pop the avocado out of the skin and get rid of the pit. And it would be very helpful if I had a knife, but I don't. So we're just gonna break it apart. And throw your avocado in and do the other half. And then you're going to spoon in about a 1/4 cup of plain low-fat Greek yogurt. And then we're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of milk. And I don't add all of the milk because you might need it down the road to kind of help things get frothy. Now that you have all your ingredients into your blender, you're going to start blending. Once your smoothie is all blended and perfectly creamy, you can serve it up any way you like. I like to just serve it in some cute little glasses, like these mini Pilsner's glasses are great. And believe it or not, kids love these. Okay, there we go. Just a little left in there. And you pop in some cute little straws. These have hearts, so it's heart healthy, and enjoy. It tastes so fresh. You can taste the pineapple and the kiwi and the banana. You don't taste the spinach, which is totally the goal here. It's so good. Thank you again for watching. If you liked my video, please be sure to give me a like and subscribe to follow along for more easy recipes. If you want more simple recipes, be sure to follow along at thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thank you again.